If you're using Microsoft Edge and you want to turn off the weather card on the homepage, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to clean up your new tab or homepage and make Edge look a lot more minimal and distraction-free. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your homepage. On the page, look for the page settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear icon. This is where Edge keeps the layout and content options for the homepage. Click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel opens, look for the content settings section. Inside that menu, you should see an option labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the content controls for the page. Now scroll through the available options until you find Show Weather Card. This is the setting that controls whether the weather card appears on your Edge homepage. To turn it off, simply toggle Show Weather Card to the off position. As soon as you switch it off, the weather card should disappear from your homepage, giving you a cleaner browsing experience. If you ever want it back later, you can return to the same settings and turn the toggle on again, and that's it. You've successfully turned off the weather card in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.